Hey guys, it's me, Isa Please. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I hope you like me enough to like, subscribe, and follow me on all my socials. Ever since I got married, you guys have been telling me how much I am blooming, how marriage looks good on me. All I want to say is that I faked everything. Just kidding. I kind of just wanted to do like a filler upper video where I show you how I've been doing my makeup lately, also with very limited time because I have a birthday party to get to. Let's get straight to it. The first thing that I like to put on my face, which I think is the holy grail of my makeup look, is this moisturizer slash oil. So this is from Nature Republic and it's the real nature oil in Margan scent. I originally used the rose one, but I have had the hardest time finding it. So I just put a couple of drops on my face and I just spread it around. I just make sure that everything is seeped into my skin. I don't want it to be wet because that means that my makeup is gonna turn out pretty cakey and stuff like that. So I make sure to really like blend it and spread it out on my face. And I feel like this argan oil really does wonders, wonderful wonders on my skin, and it makes it like really fresh. It makes my makeup pop out and stuff like that. Second thing that I use is this face liquid blur from Etude House, which is primer, and I am just realizing that it comes with sunblock. I just put that all over my face. I got my argan oil and my primer from Dara Beauty Mart, which is basically where I get all my Korean skincare products. That's basically my skincare. And then I go ahead and get this True Match L'Oreal. It's in Golden Amber. And then I just go ahead and blend it. It's not enough coverage because I'll still look like a troll. I will go ahead and use this, the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is for normal to dry skin and this is natural beige. I actually prefer to use this one, the Infallible one, but because it's really hot outside and I feel like it's too matte. Guess what? My camera just died and now we are doing this in portrait mode. Yeah, because it is a little bit hotter outside and I don't want to look too dry, I like to use this Fit Me one because it seems like it's a lot more moist. When I'm done, I go ahead and use this Elana powder and I love this so much. And then I go ahead and do my eyebrows. And I'm just using the Sunny's Brow Kit that I got. I don't really have to do my eyebrows because they're already microbladed. Honestly, one of the best things I've ever done. And then I'll use this just to set my eyebrows in place. Just in my brows. I'm just gonna take this off. So I just go straight ahead to my eyeliner, and I forgot what brand this is. If you don't know how to do your eyeliner, it's okay, it takes a while. But I've been doing my eyeliner since I was a wee little girl. So I kind of know how to do it already. But even then, I still really screw it up. It's not perfect, but it's not bad. And there, I'm done with my eyes. And then I'll then go ahead and get my blending brush, or I assume it's a blending brush. I pick up some product and then I tilt my head a little bit and I line my nose. It is very important for me to define or contour my nose because I don't have one and I tend to look really flat. And I think that's why people say that I look different, because now there's a lot more definition to my face because you can actually see like my face. I don't look like a plate that is so flat. But yeah, that's what I do. And then once I'm done with that, I will get my angled brush, swipe it or pat it, and then go to the side. Then I go like this at the side. And then I'll use the flat part and then go on the sides and just add like more dimension. I'll put some on my forehead, down to the sides of my face, and then on the other side, and then here, and then pick up some more product and put it here, and then kind of bring it down so that it looks like there is definition. And then I'll get whatever product is left here and here and then bring it to the center. That's just how I do it. And then after that, I will take my blush. I don't really like the blushes that I have. I feel like I could do a lot more. I could do better. But I'm currently using this Ever Bilena and like some LA Color blush that my mom gave me, and a NARS Orgasm, which I don't think really suits my skin tone because I'm darker. So this is just like a nice highlighter or like just something nice to add. But I did pick up some product from the Ever Bilena one, which it's in Tangerine. I pat it gently on the apples of my face. And then I'll just get some of the Orgasm, but pack a bunch of products on my face and just, it's not very makeup guru-y, is it? I think I'm done. Yeah, I can put some highlighter on just to say that I put highlighter on. I should have like one of those blending brushes, but I've never gotten around to getting one. And that's that. And then I will put on like whatever lipstick I feel like putting on for the day, and I am virtually done already. This is basically how I do my makeup, and I'm already done by the time that Paolo is done showering. So it's very quick, and I like that you guys think that it looks fresh. So this is what my makeup looks like outside in better lighting. It does feel like really fresh and light makeup to have on my face. And now I am ready to go to this basketball themed first birthday. Happy birthday, Kino, if you're watching this. And I hope that you guys like, subscribe, and follow my channel. It is Isa Please, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!